In this video, we look at a beautiful abandoned church. This German-American church was built in 1911 and is based off Gothic Revival architecture. And it's actually the second church to sit in this spot. The first church was built in 1874 and demolished in 1909. The current church had a steeple that reached 164 feet, but it was taken down in 1923. It became abandoned around 2014, as you'll see in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful place. Alright, so we have made it inside of this amazing church. And this is what you see right here. We're turned around facing the door, and you can see it's really dark. So we'll get some light going in just a second. But look at these walls right here. This place is going to be a little bit tricky to film. It's pretty small, but it is just absolutely beautiful. And I have not done a church in a long time, let alone one that's an architecture build like this. I can't get this open, but we're going to turn around and I want y'all to see this. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. You get a little sneak peek of what's in there on the right. And if you listen closely, you can hear water. That's in the basement. It is flooding so bad. I don't know how that happened, if somebody cut on the water or what, but there's just architecture just everywhere in this place. Any little crack, you can hear water. And I can smell it. It smells like good. I don't know how to explain how it smells. But look at this. Is that not gorgeous? And this isn't even close to the best part. This is just what you see as soon as you walk in. Got all the magazines right here. And then look at this. You can remove the tops of these. Unless this is just broken. It does look broken, actually. It almost looked like it was removed for a second, though. And then I saw like a seam. See, yeah, look right here. So I'm thinking, yeah, you can just remove these, actually. That's what I saw earlier. Look, it's almost rainbow right here. What is that, paint? I can't tell what that is. I thought it was light for a second. But this is just a beautiful place. I mean, look at this. This will be a shorter video, but I mean, come on. Look at that. I know y'all will appreciate the architecture in this place. Oh, the light coming through is beautiful. This is magical. This is just, I don't even know. It's so cool to see something like this. You can see the decay everywhere, all over the walls. Then you got some random stuff down here. United States Postal Service. But now we're going to go down here towards the basement. And I'm going to show y'all. It smells like, yeah, I know what it is. It smells like you're walking into a spa room at like a hotel. The chlorine, like, look at this. There's a shoe right there. We did come and check this place last night. I've actually been here a couple days before that in the day to scope it out. Then we came and checked it and got in last night and looked at this. And just, look at this. That is crazy. I really want to try to fix this and stop it, but I don't know if I can get to where it's leaking from. Oh my gosh. What I'm thinking is maybe a homeless person or something got down in there and did it. I don't know. It's been leaking for a while because I've heard other people that have seen that. But just walking back out, what a beautiful place. What a beautiful place. These are the main doors to go in right here. And I keep seeing in memory of someone on the windows, but we'll look at that when we get up closer. Please, silent cell phones. Just beautiful. Look at that. It is light. It's specks of light creating the rainbows. You can see it all over the floor. But when I stuck my hand out, I guess I just didn't block it properly. I don't know. But we're going to go up to this room now. Look at this. Y'all saw this earlier. I'm not showing y'all the inside yet. You might see it in the thumbnail, but you know. Not showing y'all that yet. Saving the best for last. Check this out. Look at the old dimmer switch. All types of old clothes in here. This is what they would wear during their worshiping. This is really, really cool to see. I've never seen something like this before. And you walk back here, it's all back here. Look at that. And then one of them's out right here. We got to check out some of these robes though. Looks like they might have been doing renovations in here. I'm not sure. But yeah, look at that. I gotta see this. Oh my. That is so cool. I didn't want to pull that out because now I gotta hang it back up. I don't want it to get damaged. Turn right here and there's even more back there. This is so cool to see. You look right here at the mirror, look at it reflecting. That is so cool. I'm really loving this place. Okay, but before we go into the main part, we're gonna go look at something that me and Bando Fam just found. It is crazy. I can't wait to show y'all this. And it's upstairs, so I'll go ahead and show you all that. Okay, so let's walk up these beautiful stairs. I can't wait to show y'all this. It is insane. Memorials on all the glass, or a lot of it. But look at this. As soon as you get up here, it is a little bit of a time capsule. Well, it's a full time capsule, but guys, you don't understand what I'm about to show you. If you know anything about churches, you might be able to guess. But look at this. This is such a cool room. I'm not even sure what this thing is. Look at the books on the windowsill. How to Live, the Century Dictionary, and Encyclopedia. These are really old books too. And I love this stained glass. There's little ropes to make the bells make noise. I love the design in here. And then right behind you, you see these books. So much stuff left in here. And if you look right here, you got some pews, but this might be a miniature little classroom. I'm not sure. Where you walk in, this is what we saw. But now, me and my friend are gonna go upstairs even further and show y'all something really cool after I show y'all that. Oh, that's really cool looking. So through this door right here, you can see the back of this amazing organ that y'all are gonna see. That's just a little sneak peek of what y'all are gonna see. Look at that. I cannot wait to show y'all that. And look, there's even little chairs through there. I wonder if people were in here just in case something went wrong during a service. Let's walk up here. It gets really, really abandoned. This is the type of abandoned I think I like the most. And my thighs were cramping from walking up here earlier. And now they're really gonna feel it. This isn't anything yet. Just wait till I turn the shower. We're gonna go lights off. I want y'all to look at what you see when you walk in here. I'm just gonna leave the redness. It looks like we're in a haunted house. Look at this. It's like that in there, but you can just see the woodwork and just imagine how this was built back in the day, and you see the ropes continue to go up. So I think you guys know what we're gonna go see, but look at this. It just keeps going and going, and it's so red in here, it's making me like feel weird. There's old details on the wall right there. What does that say? That is so cool. Old ladder right there. I wonder when the last time that was used. Because you have to creep up here and you don't want to hit the rope with the bell. So I'm going to take y'all with me. And the handle right here is wobbly. I can't even speak straight. Oh, that stair did not feel good. Oh my gosh. I'm taking y'all up here with me. If something happens, y'all are gonna see it. But we get up here even further, and that's the steps we just came up right there. Now, I've been to this point, but I have not seen the bell yet. Bando Film has seen the bell. I came back down because I was like, I'm gonna wait to show y'all this. You can see this is somewhat new. And then you look down in here, and let me get a light focus to show y'all this. And then you look down there and see that. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. That's so cool to see. Okay. Yeah, and I love this about it. You'll notice that on a lot of the glass. The cross with the king hat. And then as you walk right here, that's where we just came up at. Looks like a serial killer's attic, but let's climb this. Told y'all it gets worse. I do not do good with heights, so this better be worth it. But Bando Film said it was. I can't even see. Oh my gosh, I just got a glimpse. Hang on. Look at this. Look at that. There's 3 bells. Are you serious? It goes up further, but absolutely not. That is so cool. Oh, this is scary. Look at that. The old architecture with the windows too. So cool to see. Let's go ahead and check out this main room. It is amazing. This is the best chapel I've been in yet, for sure. Look at this. I'm just gonna walk y'all down. This is amazing looking. Every window has something slightly different on it. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful shot. Look at this place. Decay in here is perfect. Now, through these doors back here, it goes to another part. And it's weird because power is on in the other part. So we probably won't mess with that, but this is the part we came to see anyway. I don't even think that other part is a church. Well, it is, but it's an add-on. The piano, I didn't even see this. There's multiple. There's an organ over there. Oh, that window right there. We got to get an up-close look at that. Oh, look. Banner class. Look at that. Let's walk up here. Look at that. Look at how beautiful this is. Whether you're religious, non-religious, or have a different religion, You gotta admit, any type of religious building, any type of worshiping building, whether it be, Christian, Catholic, any types of Christianity, Muslim, anything, the buildings are always the most beautiful thing you'll ever see. Just look at this view right here. This is what he saw when he was up here preaching. And then this is the last thing. That organ is massive. That's the biggest organ I've ever seen in person. Oh, look at the sun coming through there. Hold on. That's so cool. And then you walk and you see the clock up here. And there is something funny down here, but look at this decay. And it's even better upstairs. Look at that. And then there's fans right here. And now coming from this little classroom area, I'm going to show y'all from up here. Look at this. There's even an abandoned preacher down there. He still thinks his church is in service. This organ is so big. This is where I would want to sit. As a kid, I never went to churches that were two-story like this. If I was there as a kid, and I'm sure let me know, if you guys went to a two-story church as a kid, were you always trying to sit up top? Look at this. Look at how big this organ is. And then you have like a little scroll area. But I will tell you, this floor feels bad. I'm not going to lie to you. Oh, that floor is bad. But here's the other side. And look right there. It's completely caving through. That is bad. I mean, just look at that. Such a beautiful building. But yeah, walking back, I want to see what these CDs said over here. Oh, that floor is sinking in. Look at that. Wait, 2014 are the dates on these. 2013. Oh, that is cool. We will head out of here. I can't get over how insane this organ is. And with that being said, I think that's pretty much it for this church. This is definitely the best church I've done yet. I hope to do more like this in the future. This is really, really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you later. See you in the next.